Take a moment to check out the 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.